Noble Warewashing Undercounter Dishwashers offer quality and convenience. They're perfect for businesses with limited space and are made of stainless steel to withstand the hustle and bustle of commercial use. With a variety of models available, there's sure to be one that meets your needs. The UH30FND is a high-temperature unit that delivers powerhouse cleaning. It cleans up to 24 racks per hour using 1.1 gallons of water per rack. For greater efficiency, the UH30E model cleans up to 27 racks per hour using only 0.65 gallons per rack. It also recirculates wash water to reduce consumption and increase efficiency. Offering a low-temperature option, the UL30 washes up to 24 racks per hour using 1.2 gallons per rack. It features built-in chemical pumps and indicator lights that illuminate when detergent and sanitizer need refilled. For the UH30E, the cycle is shorter at just 1 minute and 47 seconds, which can be extended as necessary. A deliming cycle in each unit removes hard water deposits for a perfect clean every time. The DG low temperature model is a dishwasher and glass washer in one. It boasts a 90-second operating cycle that cleans up to 40 racks or 1,440 glasses per hour. This unit will fit tall glasses thanks to its 11.5-inch clearance, and both regular and half-size racks will fit inside. Whether your focus is on washing glasses at the bar or washing dishes in the kitchen, Noble Warewashing has an under-counter dish machine that's sure to meet your needs.